To deposit a check at a Wells Fargo ATM, start by locating a deposit-enabled machine, which is typically found near a bank branch. Begin the process by using your Wells Fargo debit card to sign in, either by tapping it on the contactless sign or inserting it into the slot on the right side of the ATM. Next, enter your debit card's PIN code, which can be done on the right side of the ATM, below the card slot, and confirm by tapping the green Enter button. On the main screen, select the Deposit option, and the ATM will prompt you to insert the check you want to deposit, opening a deposit slot for you to do so. The ATM will then scan the check, which can even recognize handwritten checks, and display the amount. Confirm the total by tapping the green button. After confirmation, the ATM will ask how you want to receive your receipt, and you can choose to print it. Once the transaction is complete, the funds should be available on the next business day, although in rare cases, they may be held for up to 7 days. This process allows you to deposit paper checks at a Wells Fargo ATM, providing a convenient alternative to mobile deposit or visiting a bank branch in person.